Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by softening the sticker, not scraping blindly. Heat for 20-30 seconds using a hair dryer on low to loosen adhesive, then lift an edge with a plastic scraper. Once an edge peels, work slowly, heat, lift, and reheat as needed. Make sure to protect screen and ports with cloths. Avoid metal tools. If the sticker tears, stop and reheat again rather than forcing. This prevents glue embedding into the finish and buys you cleaner removal. You'll now dissolve remaining glue without harming the chassis. Dampen a microfiber with isopropyl and rub small areas in circular strokes. This lifts residue without scratching. For edges and ports, use a cotton swab barely moistened. If residue persists, put 1 or 2 drops of a light oil, wait 30-60 seconds, then remove the oil and glue with alcohol. Make sure to ventilate the area and avoid excess liquid near speakers, seams, or vents to prevent. You're finishing up. Remove any cleaning residue and ensure the laptop is completely dry before powering on. Wipe with a dry microfiber pad, then let the device sit 10-20 minutes to evaporate trapped moisture. If the finish looks uneven, apply a small amount of a manufacturer-safe polish or cleaner and buff lightly. Troubleshooting. If coating appears dulled or discolored, stop immediately. Do not apply more solvent. Test restoration on a hidden spot or consult a repair technician to avoid permanent finish damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.